The DJi Mavic Mini has now been available for just over 7 months. Released at the end of October 2019, it has quickly become one of the most popular drones on the market. But could you say that this is the best drone of 2020? With its sub 250 gram weight and 30-minute flight time, this drone certainly has a lot going for it. When folded up, it's about the same height of a AA battery, and its silhouette is dwarfed by most modern phones. It's classed as a beginner drone due to it lacking certain features of higher end models, but what it lacks in features it makes up for in pricing and portability. Currently selling for £369 UK or £459 UK for the Fly More combo package, you have to ask yourself, does any other drone on the market offer the same price to performance ratio? The portability of the Mavic Mini is in a class of its own. Even with its Fly More combo pack, which contains the 3 batteries and gives you 1 hour and 30 minutes of flight time, it easily fits in a regular rucksack with loads of room to spare. You can carry the full combo pack all day without noting it's with you. And that leads us on to the next plus point, the noise from the drone when in flight. It is quite frankly fantastic compared to older, larger models. It doesn't sound like a whiny kid in a sweet shop, nor a jet fighter plane entering the Mach loop. It's discreet, unassuming and doesn't stand out. It doesn't draw attention and will go unnoticed by most. Its camera, which has a 12 megabyte sensor and is capable of recording videos at 2.7K 30 frames per second, certainly doesn't seem overly impressive on paper. But don't let the 2.7K put you off. This drone has the same sensor size of the Mavic Pro 1, Mavic Air, Spark, Mavic 2 Zoom, Phantom 2, Phantom 3, Phantom 4 Standard, Inspire X3 and Z3 cameras. The camera on this tiny drone is one of its best features. The image quality from the camera is quite honestly superb. Its only downside is its low light capabilities. The footage straight out of camera looks incredible considering the specs, and with some slight tweaks in post, well, need I say any more? I am constantly blown away by this little drone, and now that DJi have updated its firmware giving you manual control over the camera, it has raised it to a whole new level. But with any drone, the Mavic Mini does have some downsides. The first being wind. No, not that type of wind. This drone is just so light that you really have to pay attention to weather conditions. Many a mini pilot have lost their drone due to them simply blowing away in the wind. Anything over a stiff breeze and you really should be considering if you need to be flying. Another downside to the Mini is active track, or the lack of it. If you don't know what active track is, it's the ability to track a moving subject. Unfortunately, the Mavic Mini doesn't have active track built in, but surprisingly it does have a few built-in preset camera shots that kind of use the same features that active track does. It makes you wonder why DJi have not included active track, even if it's just a basic version. I know that a lot of Mavic Mini owners are crying out for a version of active track for their Mavic Mini. Let's hope DJi can release something in the future. The only other downside to the Mavic Mini is the flex due to its weight. The propellers and arms are just so light and flexible that you feel like you're going to break or bend them when you're opening up the drone or storing it away. I know there are currently a few issues surrounding the wafer thin propellers and them possibly deforming if left stored for long periods or incorrectly. But hopefully DJI are looking into this and a solution could be found for anyone who is suffering with these issues. So there you go, DJI really have hit a home run with this tiny sub 250 gram drone. And with the release of the Mavic Air 2 coming later this month and rumours of the Mavic Pro 3 starting to circulate, DJI have pretty much sewn up the hobbyist drone market for 2020. The Mavic Pro 2, the Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic Mini stand on the podium for the best hobbyist drones of 2020 at their respectful price points. But is the Mavic Mini the best of 2020? I'm going to let you decide. If you think I've missed anything, good or bad, comment below, and thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for future videos. And remember, always stay awesome guys. See you soon.